Hi everyone, so this is Midwife Sally, and let's go through the process of getting my shea butter ready for the market or for sale. Yeah, so this is the raw shea butter, and now the first thing is to put it on fire, low heat, and then you allow it all to melt in your pot. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing, and you're going to get something so light brownish like gold, and you'll be wondering, like, can this ever change? Like, it's like liquid gold. This is the color when you have finished melting it. Okay, so what you do is you are going to stir it until it becomes like a paste, and it's a process. This took me hours, honestly. If there is a machine that you can use or a device that makes it easier, I would have loved to have it. So you keep stirring. It will be changing in color, consistency, thickness after you have melted it on low heat. Okay, so I melted my shea butter on low heat, and now I'll allow it to cool. So you allow it to cool, then you start the process of making it into a paste again by continuously stirring it. So you don't stop. It's really a process. It will help you to appreciate the work everyone does. Yeah, so the more you do it, the more you see it changing in color and consistency. And yes, it's amazing. It's amazing. I love the fact that I'm doing it myself, because if you see the consistency, so I now get the consistency I want, and you have to put it in your bottles or your glasses or wherever you want it stored. So this is how I'm going to get it for sale. It was so good. I think the quality is so good. So it could not form like a strong paste because I have not mixed it with anything. It is just pure shea butter, and you can feel it. Look at the color now, so yellowish, so great. And yes, I'll leave it. I left it overnight in my shop, and then came back to a very beautiful one. So you would see it very soon. Here I'm filling all the bottles. And this is it. Look at it. I put it on my lips, and it was so great. Like, I was like, how can I make this into a lip balm? Because it was good, like the softness. And this is the final product. Come and buy from me. Yes, you can buy one or more at an affordable price. Thank you. Bye.